Hi everyone, it's Doug Atkinson again here at another home tour at Maple Ridge. We're at 10522 Mcveety Street. We're looking at a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom home. It's 3,356 square feet interior. It's on a 5,414 square foot lot. If you want more information on the property, you can contact the listing agent, Fayne Grant. Her information is listed in the description below, where you can find out more information about the property. It also comes with a 1-bedroom legal suite, and we'll see that near the end. So come on inside and let's take a look. Well, coming inside the home, it's awesome, big, huge door right at the front. I love these inset glass pieces in the door itself. You come into this wide foyer entrance with these few stairs coming up. There's a chandelier just above the door. It gives a lot of excitement to the room. You have space here to put a little piece of furniture, a seat to sit down. Your coat closets are right here as well. And right behind me is a 2-piece powder room for this floor your guests would love. All right, coming right into the living space here, it's a big great room with the living room, dining room, and kitchen. We have these huge patio doors that are facing out north towards the balcony here, and they open right up, giving you a big fresh breeze right through the room. We'll close them up for now. And then you come over here to this fireplace. They have a gas fireplace right here with a marble ceramic surround. You have your outlets here, so you can mount a television up top here. Plenty of room to fit furniture here. And then we slide right into the kitchen here. One of the things I love about this kitchen is this double large island. You have plenty of cabinets and drawers on this side. There's cabinets on the other side, seating available, but it's a great prep island. Well, over here you have a undermount sink, nice faucet that comes out, and this large window that looks onto the backyard. Beautiful marble countertops. You have the space for the appliances, a dishwasher, an oven, a microwave would go here. Over here you would have your countertop cook hub, and your fridge would be over here. Because this is a new builds usually don't put the appliances in until somebody buys the property. And another thing about this being a new build, it does come with a 5, 10, 2-year home warranty. One of the nice things about this build are the details in it. These beautiful cabinets, and they're like maple shaker cabinets, not maple wood of course, but they, instead of having a square edge, they have this angled edge, which is perfect for cleaning. You have soft close as well. And then the builder used this hexagonal tile in behind, which looks awesome with the marble countertops. And speaking about marble countertops, one of the things I wanted to mention too about this island has this beautiful waterfall edge on each side of the island. So not only eating in the kitchen with stools here, this is where your dining room table would go. And it'd be easy to put in a chandelier up above. We have a pantry in behind here, and over here is the access to the backyard and the garden. So there's a lot of places you can put your barbecue out there and some lawn furniture. One of the beautiful things about this home is the staircase. And I love the wood on it and the color, the wrought iron here as well. And they have lighting on every second tread going all the way up on both stairs there and the stairs here as well. This home is listed with 5 bedrooms, and this is one of them, but this is on the main floor. It could easily be used as a family room or a study or an office right here, and it's directly off the front door. Well, on the top floor, there's 4 bedrooms up here, a family bathroom, a laundry room, and the primary bedroom. But we have first bedroom right over here. It's a beautiful bedroom, faces north, lots of windows and a vaulted ceiling. And right here, we have a linen closet just off the stairwell. We have another bedroom right over here. This bedroom has lots of extra storage, faces the back garden, and has storage up above the closet. This is our family bathroom right here with a deep soaker tub, beautiful marble counter with the sink undermount, and the floor tile is just gorgeous. When we come out of here, the best part about being up here is this huge laundry room. And this is where the laundry room should be because of all the bedrooms. You have the tall counter where you put your washer and dryer underneath. You have a beautiful undermount sink here to do your work. Plenty of storage and cabinets in here as well. To the left of here, we have another bedroom that faces back, a little smaller, but perfect children's bedroom, lots of space. The primary bedroom is huge and it has this nice detailed back wall. Obviously, this is where they want you to put your bed because we have outlets and light switches here, TV mount over there. You have these large windows that face north and give you a view, and you have your own private balcony with access right here. Over here, we have the walk-in closet for the primary bedroom. Plenty of storage, built-in cabinets. And over here is our primary ensuite. In the ensuite, we have a double vanity with undermount sinks, marble countertops. There's a standalone soaker tub, a beautiful shower, a rain shower head, a handheld, a large primary bathroom. So we come down on the bottom level. This is your entry from the garage right here, your double garage and utility. There's access to the suite here, whether you want to keep it as a 1-bedroom suite or you want to keep it as an in-law suite. They can enter in and out of the suite right here. And then you have this extra rec room space right here at the bottom, which could be a kids hangout area or even another office. So let's head over to the suite. This is the entrance to your legal 1-bedroom basement suite. It has, I believe it looks like 10-foot ceilings, which makes it feel larger. Here's your living room space, big window. This is your laundry closet right here. And then your kitchen space has the same cabinets from upstairs, different handles of course. We have quartz countertops here as well, undermount sink. And again, the appliances aren't placed in here yet because this is a new build and they usually don't put them in. We'll head over here to the bedroom and the bathroom. The bathroom here has an undermount sink with a quartz countertop, beautiful marble ceramic tiles throughout, a nice shower, and then your bedroom connected to it has again the high ceilings, 10-foot ceilings, a closet, big huge window, great 1-bedroom suite. Well, thanks for coming along the tour today. Just a reminder that this home is a brand new build, so it comes with a 5, 10, 2-year home warranty, and also there's GST on the purchase of the property. I would like to take the moment right now to thank the listing agent, Fayeen Grant of XP Realty, for giving us the opportunity to view the home today. More information from her is listed in the description below, and you can contact her to book your own showing. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and I will see you on the next tour.